Baliwala ang certificates, most especially if you are unable to execute. A lot of aspiring freelancers or even freelancers right now, they want to upskill. They want to learn something new. And the reason behind that is because they want to earn a certificate thinking that they will earn more with the certificate. No. You earn more as a freelancer when you are able to execute processes that improves or helps the customers or clients' businesses. Ulitin ko ha, hindi sa certificate tumataas ang sahod or pera ng freelancer. Tumataas yun based on your execution. So whether you learn it sa YouTube for free or whether you learn it from someone who's offering training and sharing their experience, it's how you execute. It's how you apply yung natutunan mo. So, ang question ni Krisha dito is, meron ba free courses na may mga free certificates din? Yes. Udemy, HubSpot, LinkedIn Learning, which you can try for free for the first month, actually gives out free certificates. Out of all three, ang pinakang favorite ko is LinkedIn Learning. Kasi tinry ko siya for a month and sobrang dami mo nang maa-access. So, depende talaga sa kung gaano ka committed na mag-aral ng new skill. Plus, automatic papasok sa profile mo sa LinkedIn yung certificates mo doon. You would notice na may parang expiration date yung ibang certificates, and that is okay. That simply means that based on their experience after a couple of years, eto kay may bagong update, kailangan mo mag-retake ng course or kailangan mo mag-aral ulit. I personally would rather get certifications from these platforms versus yung kung wari mag-enroll ako sa isang course or mentorship program just because mas may bigat ba, parang mas may bearing kung ang pinagkunan mo ay kilala talaga na mentorship program or places to get courses. For the most part naman, kapag ka nag-enroll ka, especially if it's locally, what you can earn out of that is not really the certificate. Kumbaga, proof na lang yun na namatid ka ng ganung ano. But it's the knowledge na binibigay sa'yo ng coaches. So, alam nyo na kung ang coach naman na pag-enroll nyo yung pucho-pucho. Char. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!